How to stop the car when driving, especially doing your road test. Oftentimes, doing lesson, have seen a lot of students making this horrible mistake. So I want to cover it today so you guys can get it done right once and for all. You cannot shift the car into parking while the car still rolling, okay? You must come to a complete stop. Then you take your hands off of the steering wheel. Then you go ahead and put your car into parking. Many students have the tendency when they're driving and they're ready to pull over, even to do a parallel parking, the car still going forward, and they're taking the hands off of the steering wheel to shift into parking. You cannot do that. Number one, that will damage the transmission of the car. Automatically will damage the transmission of the car. Number two, if you're doing the road test, that alone is good enough for the DMV examiner to fail you, because that can cause and some serious damage while you're driving the car, because from driving straight to parking while the car still rolling is not acceptable. I understand that if you're first time driver, you may be nervous as you taking your road test. However, these are simple mistakes that you can make when doing your road test that can cause you not only damage in the road test, and also automatically will cost you the road test. All right, it's quite simple. Both hands on the steering wheel, then your car come to a complete stop. You take your hands off of the steering wheel then and shift into parking. All right, folks, that's the easiest way, and that's the best practice for you to come to a full stop with the car. All right, there you have it. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do so by hitting the subscribe button and also ring the bell so you will be notified each time that we drop a video. Until then, keep practicing.